Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. A lot of students were requesting us to launch a crash course for CAT, and now we are finally launching this crash course for CAT as well as XAT. Now these two are the most difficult examinations of MBA in India, and the syllabus, like especially the quant part, is almost the same. In VRC you have certain things like grammar, which is separate in XAT, and one difference is the DILR versus the DIM, right? So CAT has a DILR section which XAT does not have, although it does have DI in the quant section itself, plus XAT has a decision making section. So to cater to the needs of all those students who are appearing in both these examinations, we are going to launch a crash course, and the dates of these examinations are 24th November and 5th January. As I told you that the syllabus is to much extent similar of these examinations. We'll finish the CAT exclusive classes by 15 November, and then we will start after XAT, after CAT we will start the XAT part, especially the DM plus other things like the topics which are not tested in CAT, we will cover post that. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So these are the details about this course. This course will have 150 plus hours of live classes, so somewhere around 80 classes we shall have of 2 hours duration each. You will be given recorded concepts of some of the topics, like this course is meant for students whose basics are clear to some extent. Okay, those who have already prepared in the past. It is not that you don't expect that you are starting from scratch now and would be able to ace these examinations. So if you have let us say you prepared for CAT or XAT previously, or you have a decent aptitude, you need to brush up those concepts, okay, or like if you enrolled somewhere else but you find that you did not find the content quality good enough. Okay, so in all those scenarios this is an appropriate course for you, wherein you can build upon your existing knowledge and ace these examination. So we will be providing recorded concepts also, so assuming that you know the basics, and those concepts will be covered in these videos, and you will be given practice sheets for all the topics. There will be doubt resolution group for the enrolled students, wherein you can post your doubts and we shall resolve them. So you will be getting 15 CAT mocks, full length mocks. Apart from that, 10 each sectional tests, like 10 DILR, 10 quant and 10 verbal. Then 5 XAT mocks, full length XAT mocks, and 20 DM tests. So you have decision making is a special section for XAT. So we will be giving 20 decision making tests in this course. And also you will be given access to our grammar course, which includes grammar rule book plus phrasal verbs and miscellaneous test on grammar, so that you can that can assist you for XAT grammar as well. Now this is the list of classes if you wish to see what all will be covered. So we will have these many live classes. Number system shall be covered in 3 classes. Arithmetic we will cover in 7 classes. Okay, so percentage and application means percentage, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest. Similarly, ratio and applications means ratios and partnerships, etc. And then time, speed, distance, time and work. And in algebra we will cover in progressions and series, surds and indices, logarithms, linear and spatial equations, a couple of classes on quadratic equations, couple of classes on functions and inequalities. So this will cover the algebra part. Geometry we will have quadrilaterals and polygons, triangles, trigonometry, and since XAT asks trigonometry, and circles, areas of shaded portion, mensuration. So that will cover the geometry and mensuration part. And yeah, so I think I've missed the coordinate part, so it will also include coordinate. And then we will have modern math in 3 classes. So this will be the structure of quant classes. So we have around 30 live classes, plus there will be 30 recorded concepts like what is simple interest and compound interest, formulae, all formulae covered in that, different varieties of basic questions covered in that. So these concepts will have the basics covered for all the topics. So you will have for, let's say, how to find remainders, okay, then on different topics like profit loss discount, etc. So for all topics we will have one recorded concept per topic. So for all these topics we will have the recorded concepts as well, plus in live classes we'll practice the questions. Then coming to the DILR, we will have the following live classes, okay, and there will be some recorded concepts, basics of DI, basics of Venn diagrams, okay, basics of different topics like cubes and dice, binary logic, etc. And we will have some classes for XAT also, like data sufficiency and DI for XAT. So we will have exclusive classes for XAT based DI. So CAT does ask DI, but it is the conventional, these are the conventional DI, okay. So we will have fewer classes for that, and then we will have classes for XAT specific DI also. Now coming to the VRC part, so we will have some recorded concepts about like on, let's say, CR, critical reasoning, the different kind of problems, then RC question types, like what kind of questions do you expect in RCs, how to read RCs, transition words, right, structure of passages, etc. So we will have some recorded concepts, plus you will be given the access to our grammar course that has grammar rules that will assist you in the XAT, okay. Not like in CAT they don't ask grammar, so that will be helpful for XAT. And you can also purchase this separately from our site. So if you wish to improve your grammar for all MBA entrance examinations, so this is a special course for it. And then we will have classes, RCs based on different topic genre wise, and then other topics of VA like para jumbles, odd one out sentence fillers, para summary, etc. and some mixed bag classes for your revision. And then for XAT also we will have these specific topics like poem based questions, grammar workshop, critical reasoning workshop, para jumble and para completion. So that will be done for XAT. So all these XAT exclusive classes will be done post the CAT is over. Then if we look at the DM part, so we will have these classes, so genre wise questions like business and management issues, what are the different questions. So we will include some questions from the past year papers, plus some our content on these different criteria like business and management issues, ethical dilemmas, policy decision making, strategic decision making, real world situations, and we will have a few DM workshops also to assist you for the DM part. Now these DM classes will obviously start after CAT in the month of December. So this is the entire structure, the live classes that we will have for these examinations. So all in all you have 80 plus live classes. Now the live classes will start from 9th of September 2024. So by that time we will be uploading the recorded videos, some of the recorded videos. We'll keep uploading it. And by the end of this month we will have uploaded all the recorded videos and concepts. So by that time we will upload the recorded concepts plus the practice sheets, so you can start practicing the questions on your own, and once you attend the classes then you can solve those questions, okay. Then as I said that the CAT syllabus completion will be done by 15th of November. So we'll ensure that you get at around a week plus for the final revision. Obviously the lesser asked topics like modern math would be done towards the end, okay. So that is the maximum, so we may finish it before 10 November as well. So we will have to like live classes will be on a daily basis. So right now we will have for this month maybe we will have Monday to Sunday one class each, okay. Monday to Friday we will have in the evening, and Saturday Sundays in the morning we will have the live classes. So for in September, and then we will have from October onward we will have Monday to Friday, and there will be multiple classes. So we may have 7 to 8 classes in a week, okay. So this way within the 60-day time frame we will try to finish it. At max, if it stretches, it will not go beyond 15th of November. So we will try to finish the syllabus before 10th of November itself. Okay, and once we have completed a significant portion, let us say by mid of October, you can start taking the mocks also. So those will also be available to you. And XAT specific classes will start after CAT. The DM part plus in English we will have grammar, in quant also we will have some workshops for XAT plus some DI part that will be done post CAT. Now the mentors, I will be teaching quant and DILR, and Vidhi ma'am will be teaching you VRC and DM. So these will be the mentors for these courses. And the price is of this course is 20,000. It includes all things, like not just the classes, mock test and all that stuff. So since we are celebrating our company anniversary this week, so we are offering 30% off till 7th of September. So you can use the code MBA30 to get 30% off till 7th of September 2024. And if you are an existing MBA Karo CAT student, you can upgrade by paying us 5,000 rupees. And if you have already enrolled for the CAT course, you will be able to join this course as well, and you will have access to all the classes. Okay, and the enrollment link is given in the description of this video. You can check it out. And as I said that the live classes start from 9 September. Okay, and before that we will upload some of the content. So even if you enroll now, you will have access to some recorded concepts plus some practice sheets. Okay, so that enables you to start your preparation. Okay, you start practicing questions, and the mocks and all CAT mocks are live, they are running. Okay, we have almost completed our sectional test, and the full length mocks will also be available by October end, October mid or October end. All the full length mocks will be live. Some of the mocks are already live. XAT mocks shall be launched later, maybe in October or November we will launch the XAT mocks also. Decision making test and all these things would be live by then. Okay, so the enrollment link is given in the description of this video. So you can if you wish to enroll in the course, you can enroll in the same. And you can, for any further details, you can contact us at support@mbakaro.in for any details regarding the course, etc. Or you can send a text us on Instagram or Telegram or our WhatsApp numbers. So these were the details about the course. If you wish to enroll in the course or know someone who would be interested in preparing with us for CAT and XAT, you can let them know about this course. So hope to see you soon in this course. Please do enroll if you are preparing for these examinations, and this will be a good practice for you, because we will have the classes continuously for the next 2 months. So intense content intensive classes, as you already know, the ones who have enrolled with us before that, we do not give any external motivation or don't tell stories in the classes. It's pure academics. You come, join the class, we'll start teaching from the first minute itself. Okay, and then it is acad heavy, so you have enough questions being taught in the class. So at the end of the class you feel that okay, you have learned a lot in this class, and try to apply those techniques during your examinations, and you will definitely find those techniques quite useful to crack the examination. So the link is given in the description of this video. Hope to see you soon in the course.